Hello guys, so today we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin and do some damage control because as we all know by now, Bitcoin had a slight dip in its price, but long story short, I'm not too worried. I also want to point out that I was ready about, I don't know, 2 weeks ago to do a video with Bitcoin forming a topping pattern, but I was too lazy to to do it. As we can see, the growth rate is slowing down, and this might be a local top, not a long-term top, not a cycle top, but a short-term top, and Bitcoin might enter some consolidation in this area. So, what do we know? We know that from the all-time high, Bitcoin had about 24 correction to the current price, 24% correction to the current price, and a 26% correction to the bottom of the wick. So, should we be worried? Well, let's investigate. So, we are in the daily chart right now, and there's not too much to see here. Maybe if we change to the 50-day moving average, the 20-day was broken times and times and again. So let's see what the 50-day moving average is telling us. Yeah, it's telling us a much nicer story. It was held back in January, and this is quite interesting, it was also held here in at the end of March. So this was good support. Let's use this one. Let's see where the 100 daily moving average stands. Alright, we are currently holding the 100 daily moving average as support here. To backtrack to the start of the video, I actually started laughing before I started recording when I saw this bar almost coinciding with the recent top. Alright, moving on. So we are currently holding the 100 daily moving average. But now let's see what I'm actually interested in holding as support. So let's switch to weekly and use one of these averages and move it to the 20 weekly moving average, because as we can see in the prior bull market from 2016 to 2017, we held it as support here. Oh, this color is not too great. Let's put it on white. So we held it here, we held it again here and here and here and here. We didn't come to the 20 week in November. We had a top and then we broke the support, the 20 week average support right here. So this is what I'm looking at to hold this support, the 20 week moving average. And oops, and right now we haven't even touched it. In fact, we haven't touched the 20 week moving average since back in September, when this was the confirmation that we are in fact in a bull market. So I'm gonna tell you what I might probably do. No thank you. If Bitcoin falls to the 20 week moving average, which might be by Sunday, by the end of the week, or this could also trend higher and the price could stay, you know, in this range, 50k, and they would meet at some point. But whenever they meet, I might just buy small amounts of Bitcoin, not huge amounts, like there was the case in this area or in this area, or obviously in this area, but this was just a fringe event. I have a few stable coins because I took some profits. Yeah, I did take some profits. Let's switch a bit to the daily. I took some profits somewhere around here. Obviously I missed the top, but hey, I was not sure. It was already looking like this when I sold, so I decided to sell some of my Bitcoin, take some profits off the table. And so far it was a good decision. Obviously I didn't sell a lot. Just, you know, small increments. And maybe the amount that I got here I might buy back if we hit the 20 week, or we could also go below it. Nothing safe, you know, because history shows us that we can have candle wicks below the 20 week, you know, maybe on Wednesday or Thursday the price dips below the 20 week moving average, and by the end of the week the daily close is above the 20 week moving average. Yeah, so this is my plan, short term. Again, I wouldn't be too worried. It's just normal for Bitcoin to have these kinds of dips, because yeah, if we measure it, if we measure the dips in the last bull market, we had about 32%. That didn't work. 37%, 30%, 39%, 42%, and a 27% dip. But this was, you know, at the almost at the end of the bull market, but obviously nobody knew that this would be close to the end. So yeah, this type of correction is just normal, because in the grand scheme of things I expect Bitcoin to go somewhere between 100,000, 140,000 by the end of the year. This is the 4-year cycle bull market, or as Benjamin Cohen, and I much agree with him, his case is for lengthening cycles, and the top might be somewhere at the end of 2022 or 2023, beginning of 2023. So we could do something like this for a long time, and hit the top here. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing. Bye guys.